Welcome to Supreme Steno classes. Under this video, I will provide you an essay-like dictation for all types of skill examinations like SSC, Railway and other PSUs so that it helps you in cracking your steno skill examination. For more dictation like this, subscribe, like, share the channel. So let's start. 5 seconds. Start. The vision of Digital India is to transform the country into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. It would ensure that government services are available to citizens electronically. This program was launched on 2nd July 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The initiative includes plans to connect rural areas with high-speed internet networks and improving digital literacy. This program will be implemented in phases till 2018. This program has been envisaged by Department of Electronics and Information Technology (DIT) with the active participation of Ministry of Communication and IT, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Human Resource Development and Ministry of Health. Right from the day of its launch, the program has managed to garner praises from across the different sectors and is considered to play an important role in the transformation of India's digital infrastructure. It will act as a catalyst for the investment in the information technology sector and thus generate employment. Digital India program is centered on three key vision areas: viz, infrastructure as utility to every citizen, governance and services on demand, and digital empowerment of citizens. Digital infrastructure as a utility to every citizen includes high speed internet as a core utility shall be made available in all Gram Panchayats, cradle to given digital identity, unique, lifelong, online, and authenticable. Mobile phone and bank account would enable participation in digital and financial individual level. Easy access to common service center within their locality, shareable private space on a public cloud, safe and secure a cyber space in the country. Governance and services on demand includes government services available in real time from online and mobile platforms. All citizens' entitlements to be available on the cloud to ensure easy access. Government services digitally transformed from improving ease of doing business, making financial transactions above a threshold electronics and cashless, leveraging global information system GIS for decision support systems and development. Digital empowerment of citizens includes universal digital literacy, all digital resources universally accessible, all government documents, certificates to be available on the cloud, availability of digital resources, services in Indian languages, collaborative digital platforms for participative governance, portability of all entitlements for individuals through the cloud. In lieu of the vision of a digital India, the government aims to provide high speed internet connectivity as a utility to every citizen, ensure fast delivery of public services utilizing the online platform, and build digital literacy among the masses. The program aims at connecting India's citizens, towns, and villages via high-speed broadband along with a system of networks and data centers called the National Information Center. Some of the facility which will be provided through this initiative are: Government launched a digital locker under the name DigiLocker. DigiLocker system aims to minimize the usage of physical documents and enable sharing of e-documents across agencies. E-hospital portal will help the citizens to avail health services online by issuing a unique health identification number. Attendance.gov.in is a website to keep a record of the attendance of government employees on a real-time basis. This initiative started with implementation of a common biometric attendance system BAS in the central government offices located in Delhi. My Government in is a platform to share inputs and ideas on matters of governance. It is a platform for citizen endorsement in governance through a discuss, do, and disseminate approach. Early Harvest programs aims at developing an IT platform for mass messaging and biometric attendance for all the government employees. It also aims at setting up Wi-Fi facilities in all the universities. E-Kranti programmers will be helpful for electronic delivery of services such as healthcare, education, justice, educating farmers, etc. National Scholarship Portal is one-stop solution for end-to-end scholarship process right from submission of student application, verification, sanction and disbursal to end beneficiaries for all the scholarships provided by the Government of India. Swachh Bharat Mission SBM mobile app is being used by people and government organizations for achieving the goals of Swachh Bharat Mission. The aim of Digital India program is to achieve zero imports of electronics by 2020 through increased level of manufacturing of electronic items such as consumer and medical electronics. With the help of a smart cards, efforts will be made to provide clarity on incentives, skill development, government procurement and taxation. The program also intends to train 1 crore people in towns and villages in 5 years. The digital platform is expected to serve 9 verticals, namely e-governance, e-Kranti, public internet across program, broadband highway, information access for all, mobile connectivity, early harvest program, IT for jobs and electronic manufacturing. As a utility, the internet has a tangible value and should be helpful in reducing the leakages in the welfare scheme and provide huge economic benefits by enabling better decision making.